Yeah, it's probably still loading. This is extreme meteorologist Reed Timmer in Plymouth, Massachusetts. This is Plymouth Harbor, and that is Plymouth Rock right there. A little bit smaller than I thought it was, but a beautiful, beautiful piece of history there. Plymouth Rock with 1620 written on it, so definitely beautiful Plymouth Harbor, very calm as well. High clouds from the baroclinic leaf taking shape as this coastal storm is starting to get going. Looks like this is going to be the biggest storm to hit this area in about 10 years, and it's been 1,400 days, more than that, for many of the National Weather Service offices around here since the last blizzard warning was issued. So definitely a big storm coming in here, big wind producer, bomb cyclone that's going to drop in its central pressure at a rate of 50 millibars over a 24-hour period. And it looks like some of the models are even showing the central minimum pressure to drop below 970 millibars upon close pass just off of Cape Cod. So we're thinking about heading all the way out to the tip of Cape Cod, Provincetown, where the strongest winds are going to be experienced. Unimpeded north-northwesterly flow right off the Gulf of Maine out there. Pure ocean, big-time dunes, hardcore blizzard conditions. And if we can get in that frontogenesis band, 3 to 4 inch per hour snowfall rates are going to be common. Thunder snow as well. Extreme dangerous blizzard conditions definitely at the tip of that cape and all the way up through the Boston area.